CHSI Technologies assist underserved insurance companies with connections and software-as-a-service based products for the insurance management and the insurance marketplace. Duck Creek Technologies is a company that provides a policy administration system platform. The company provides advanced insurance solutions, including property and casualty insurance technologies. They also provide, through their policy administration system, means to do policy, billing, claims, rating, data analytics, and agency portal management. eSurety is another cloud-based automated enterprise underwriting application. eSurety enables carriers, brokers, and MGAs to distribute surety bonds directly and via their production partners in real time via the internet. InsureIQ. InsureIQ is a digital distribution and automated real-time policy administration system. InsureIQ supports insurance agents and carriers and provides a customer-centric 360-degree portfolio view of all of their insurance products and their book of business. Modus is a customer-centric platform that builds business solutions and accelerates workflows for better business outcomes. Adaptik provides flexible, scalable, and integrated property and casualty insurance software solutions. And Newton, a platform developed by Agency Systems. Newton is a firm that provides insurance management software to commercial and personal lines, retail agencies, general agents, and brokers needing to simplify their business processes. One of the largest policy administration system companies out there is Guidewire. And Guidewire provides software that property and casualty insurance companies use to adapt and succeed in a time of rapid change in the industry. They provide software for policy and underwriting services, agency management, claims, and accounting software systems. Another large policy administration system company is Megalodon. Megalodon provides policy and claims management software solutions to small and mid-sized insurance companies. One Ink Systems. One Ink Systems is a platform that provides operation-oriented, cloud-based software-as-a-service models for companies to cater to the insurance industry and their policyholders. And finally, Tech Canary. Tech Canary provides an innovative alternative to legacy agency management systems and customer relationship management and a call center solution to help insurance companies better assist and know about their insurance customer base and policyholders.